So hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's going to be a quick one. This one is for trying to fix the error that you get when you try to run this one. Error JavaFX runtime components are missing and are required to run this application. So usually happens with error with configuration with JavaFX. So I post another video whereby if you're using a POM to run your dependencies, one easy way to get over this will be just to run this command maven javafx.run, and it should run with no errors as long as your dependencies have been added well. So this is a to-do list application that I've just created. I'm going to post the code to it somewhere so you can go home, add task. But now the issue comes in when you are running it via, let's say, to-do list application, and you're running it from here on runtime instead of directly invoking it. You see, you get this error. So how do you fix this error? You fix this error by going to the documentation for JavaFX. As you can see, the link is here. So but I'm going to paste this code in the description. So you're going to add the path to the Java SDK option. So you're going to go to here, then run, then you edit the run configurations, click here, new application, named, you can name it, for example, the name of your application, do list, then you can just click on here to select, then we're going to click here, modify options, then add VM options. So the VM options you're going to add is this. So you're going to copy all of it and paste it here, but before you click on apply and save, this path is wrong. So you're going to delete this, then search for where you have installed your JavaFX. Example, here is mine. You have downloaded it. So you're going to go to the library, then you're going to copy this, then copy that, you're gonna paste it there, then click on OK, and when you run, it should be fine. You can see, go home, add task, delete. It should work for you. If you have errors in making that work, you can comment and I'll try and help you. And with that being said, see you in the next one.
Perfect.